Hi everyone, welcome to Coffee with Nadia and welcome to Farmhouse Friday. So today is going to be something really different. I'm going to give you a tour of my mom's summer garden and you're going to see some rare things, some beautiful things. So let's get started. So I wanted to get started with this beautiful big sour cherry tree. And as you can see, the cherries are brighter than you would expect a regular cherry to be. And they are so fresh. Now, it just rained. That's why my hand is kind of wet a little bit. But look how juicy it is. It is so juicy and delicious. Ooh, can't wait to have this. But it is beautiful. And look at this. Just so pretty. And it's big. It is quite big. So starting with the bushel in the back, those are raspberries. And those are picked every day for my little niece because she absolutely loves them. So my mom has quite a few bushels of the raspberry. There's some red ones right there, you could tell. And so moving on down, we did have some big winds and storms, so that kind of fell. But that's garlic, right, Mom?
Yeah, right. This is garlic.
And then that's tomatoes?
Tomatoes, yeah.
So that's tomatoes.
That is a green beans.
Green beans right there. And it's plenty for the family, isn't it?
No, it's around.
Oh, there's more?
It's around more.
Okay, so then you could see dill right there. There's dill. What is this? Pepper?
This is pepper.
Yeah, there's pepper. Yeah. Strawberries. A little bit of everything in here, right?
Yeah.
So more strawberries.
Celeries. This is celery.
Fresh organic celery. There you go.
Yeah, and this is salad.
Lettuce.
It's
so
there's
big,
more.
Mom.
Yeah, it's more because of the.
It fell from the wind.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. And
that's all celery right there. There's tomatoes,
yeah,
you could tell.
Yeah, cucumbers.
Obviously, cucumbers. Are there any already or no?
I'm gonna show to you on another bushel.
In case you're wondering why these are not Costco size strawberries, these are actually wild strawberries. They are picked by my little niece on a daily basis, and she loves them. They're very sweet, very delicious. So here we go. There's more cucumbers. This is a wall of cucumbers, and there is a lot of them.
They're blooming.
How gorgeous.
Yeah, and there is a little ones. Little ones starts to be.
Do you see them?
Yeah, here.
Where?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Where?
Before the flower. Before the flower.
Oh, that's a
cucumber.
baby. That's a baby.
It's a baby. Yeah.
Oh. I'm like, where? Oh, how cute.
Yeah.
As you guys can tell, I have no green thumb. It's all my mom.
Yeah, it's we have cucumbers already.
And tomatoes.
Sorry, tomatoes.
We know what you meant.
More tomatoes.
This is more peppers, right?
No. It's a green.
Oh, green beans.
Green beans all over. Green beans around
everywhere.
my yard. Yeah, everywhere. Okay, more tomatoes.
Okay, the little baby ones. They're gonna be huge.
Yeah.
These are gonna be like this
and
big.
Blooming again. Here it starts. And again, tomatoes. More tomatoes.
Mom, can you explain
how to?
I don't know what it's called, but my mom takes and like cuts it in.
Okay. Do you see this? Nadia, go on this side. Do you see this? Okay. I have to tear off that.
Take it off.
Take off. And this continues to grow.
What about this?
This already I did it, but it's grow again. So I just leave it two main. From the root, I leave it just two pieces.
Two main strands or whatever.
Yeah, whatever you call it.
Because I guess those little things, they take nutrients that you kind of need for the tomatoes.
And as long as you got...
there's a name for it. I don't know why. It's on tip of my head.
Can you show something like this? Okay, if you have tomatoes already, can you hold it?
Oh, sure.
The leaves down from tomatoes, I take off everything. They're gone, you see? They're gone.
Oh, you strip the leaves off.
Yeah, leaves off because the leaves gonna take the
nutrients and the water and everything.
Yeah, and again, if you have here, so those leaves,
I think it's called pruning, Mom.
See, I can take
There
off the
you go.
leaves and throw away because they took the
Yeah, and it's a lot of it that grows.
yeah. So
Is this
no,
garlic?
No, it's an onion 24/7. We call onion 24/7.
It grows all year round, kind of thing.
All year round. It was sitting there all winter, and then in the springtime, even if it's still snow on outside, I already have an onion.
Oh.
Then it's blooming, and the blooming became onions. Out of the flowers became little onions. They're gonna fall and make bushes of onions again.
So is it like chives or no?
No.
Just onions?
This is like onions. You see,
Not chives, but like
it's
you know
already-
those
look,
little onions.
Look, it's already onions. They're
How
gonna
Stem.
stem gonna dry, fall, and I'm gonna have so many onions.
Here's more kale.
Yeah, and I pick it up for 2 days.
Mom, do you know what
Dinner.
that's called? I don't know what it's called in English.
What? This one I don't know. This one very sour. It's like Ukrainian soup. We call
Chevel.
chevel.
I'll write the
And
name for.
Ukrainian
I'll research it and I'll
Yeah.
write the name on the screen.
So I already cut it and it's grow again. Cut it and grow again.
it grows up. Yeah,
Yeah.
it just keeps on growing,
And
growing.
Here is a rhubarb.
Rhubarb. Anyone
Here is
up
a
for
rhubarb.
pie?
Rhubarb.
She has
Okay.
rhubarb there.
Yeah, I have rhubarb, and rhubarb very good who have diabetes. So you just have to take this leaf off, okay? And this part you can
Make a pie.
make a pie, cook whatever, and make a juice.
Yeah, that would be good.
Compote, like a
Compote. That's what it's called. Mhm.
Yeah, I cut it in little pieces and cook the compote.
Mm, very
so
good, and
I
it's
have
nice and healthy.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of my
This
mom's
one-
garden? Oh, I'm sorry.
This one, garlic again.
Oh, don't
that-
you have mint here too?
No, it's a mint. Yeah, I already
dried.
cut it. No, I cut it, and it's
You
gonna.
cut it. There's a little piece I'm gonna show. Like, it's like right there. Can you guys
Yeah.
see? Right there. There's mint.
No, but it's gonna come out again because we cut it.
Mom, do you have a piece to show? There you go.
We cut it. This is for tea.
And mint grows like weeds. It grows along the wall right
Along
there.
the wall, they're gonna come out again because we just cut them. And this is like garlic that make again like it was a flower, and became a tiny garlic, and they fell in a soil and make bushes of garlic again.
Look at that. Mother Nature is awesome. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
This is not blooming right now, but that right here, these leaves are butter squash. So when I mentioned something rare, it's this black currant right here. My mom said she just picked it yesterday. But do you see these berries? So basically what it is the antioxidants of a blueberry times 10. This thing is absolutely awesome. Right there is another bushel. There's another bushel. My mom has a lot of these. Now here is my absolute favorite, and these are gooseberries, as you could tell, and I like them nice and green. And I already picked for today, but these are gooseberries and they are absolutely just amazing. My mom has a lot of these. There's more black currant in between, more gooseberries, and more black currant. Here is that's cucumber, right?
Yeah, this is cucumber, and there is a piece.
Those are peas.
It's a piece.
Look at these.
It's hanging over there already.
Oh my gosh, look how cute. Now there they are.
See? It's a
So
hanging there.
cute. I love the flowers on them.
Here is a kale. Oh, I have to
I recorded a little bit.
pick up.
A little bit. There's strawberries right there in between. I think those were leftover. You used to have them there before. Then you could see green onion in between picking through.
Yeah, and this onion gonna go. This is just for salad. This blooming peppers.
Blooming peppers. Ooh.
This blooming for sure. It's blooming eggplants.
Eggplants. Oh, look at the flowers.
Yeah, eggplants.
Let me pick up the
blooming.
flower.
Yeah, eggplant blooming.
How beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this is a green beans again. All over is a green beans.
They
You see?
grow really wildly.
Yeah. And here is more eggplants.
Eggplant.
More eggplants.
Do you have zucchini this
See?
year?
A zucchini in another place.
Okay.
Not here.
But look at that, you guys. Man, it's a salad right there.
Yeah.
This right here is actually parsley, as you could tell right there. And so there's quite a bit of it here. But that is parsley. In the corner, my mom has this tropical flower. I'm sure you guys know the name of it, but I just thought I would share. Oh, it's so prickly. Share that is so beautiful. And then here, this one is unfortunately dying, but look at this color. It's so beautiful. And then she has a little bit of these and a little bit of that green one. I wanted to show you how much difference pH and soil, even though it's in the same area, can do for the hydrangeas. We're starting with pink right here. Then we're going into this kind of like a lilac-y color. And then we're going into purple. And this is in a span of a few feet. And then these beautiful roses. These are the ones I had in my video the other day. And how perfect that it just rained. How gorgeous is this? It's already, like, as you can see, it finished blooming mostly, but there's some little buds still in here. And then look at this. Literally in the same area, we have lilac, pink, lilac-y pink, and purple. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh, hello, Mr. Fly. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, I want to take this home. And then look at that right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous pink. Oh, so beautiful. Flowers right there. But I want to show you my favorite that I think are just so stunning. And it's those. Like, the leaves are so big, and look how colorful they are. Like this green going into purple. So pretty and so huge. Look at this. This is my hand. And look at this leaf. So big and beautiful.